In this video, I am going to expose 7 things that are quietly screaming, old lady, and most women over 50 have no idea they are doing them. Queen, I need you to hear me on this, because nobody in your circle is going to love you enough to tell you the truth like I am about to right now. Stay with me until the very end, because number 7 has nothing to do with clothes, nothing to do with makeup, and everything to do with why some women over 50 walk into a room and the whole energy shifts and others just disappear. Stay with me. Alright. Let us get into it. 1. The tent dress that is swallowing you whole. Queen, I love a comfortable dress just as much as the next woman. After decades of squeezing into things that did not serve us, comfort is everything. But there is a very fine line between comfortable and invisible. And that oversized, shapeless, flowing dress you reach for every Sunday morning? It might be crossing that line. Here is what actually happens when you put it on. When your dress has no structure, no definition, and no shape, your beautiful body disappears inside of it. And here is the painful part, you are not hiding anything. You are actually drawing more attention to the very things you think you are hiding, because shapeless fabric adds visual weight and erases your silhouette at the same time. The women in our community who look absolutely radiant and put together are not wearing tight clothes. They are wearing clothes that acknowledge that they have a shape. There is a difference, and once you see it, you cannot unsee it. The fix: the next time you reach for that oversized dress, add a belt at the waist, or choose a dress that schemes your curves instead of drowning them. You will look 10 years younger and 10 times more intentional without changing a single other thing about your look. 2. The hairstyle that has not moved since the Obama administration. Now, I say this with every ounce of love I have in my body. If your hair has been the exact same length, the same shape, and the same color for the past 15 to 20 years, it is aging you. And I know that is hard to hear, because that hairstyle feels like you. It is comfortable. It is familiar. It is yours. But here is what I want you to sit with for a moment. You have changed. Your skin has changed. Your face has softened. Your bone structure has shifted. Your beauty has deepened in ways that 20-year-old you could not have imagined. And when your hair stays frozen in 2008 while the rest of you has blossomed into something richer, there is a disconnect that people feel even when they cannot name it. Black women over 50 have some of the most stunning hair options of any women on this planet. Whether you are rocking your natural silver, a gorgeous protective style, locks, a tapered cut, or beautiful braids, the key is that your hair should feel alive. It should frame your face the way a beautiful painting deserves a beautiful frame. The fix: book a consultation with your stylist this week. Not for a full transformation, just for a conversation. Ask her what one small change would modernize your look. Just one. You might be absolutely amazed at what is possible. 3. The shoes that tell the whole story before you say a word. Now I am not here to tell you to strap yourself back into heels that destroy your back and your bunions. We are done with that season of life and we are not going back. But I need you to hear this clearly. Comfort and style are not enemies. They have never been enemies. We just stopped introducing them to each other somewhere along the way. When your shoes are worn down at the heel, mismatched to your outfit, or so purely functional that they drain the life out of everything else you are wearing, they are doing quiet, consistent damage to your overall look. And here is the thing most women do not realize: shoes are the first thing people's eyes go to, and the last thing women over 50 tend to update. The fix: you do not need 10 new pairs. You need one intentional pair. Find one shoe that feels as good as your most comfortable pair but looks like you got dressed on purpose today. A clean leather loafer. A structured mule. A sleek simple sneaker in white or tan. One pair. That is it. One pair can refresh your entire wardrobe for the next several years. 4. The print that is wearing you instead of the other way around. Our culture has always celebrated bold color and beautiful pattern, and rightfully so. But there is a specific category of print that many of us fall into after 50 that is doing quiet damage. The massive, chaotic, oversized floral that takes over every inch of fabric from collar to hem. The busy print that is already fighting for attention before you even walk fully into the room. Here is the secret that the most stylish women understand. Pattern should highlight you, not compete with you. When a print is too loud, too large, or too busy, your face disappears into the noise. And your face, that gorgeous, wise, melanin-rich face, is supposed to be the star of this show. Not the fabric. The fix: reach for smaller scale prints. Delicate florals. Soft geometric patterns. subtle animal print in neutral tones. Or better yet, try a beautiful solid in a rich jewel tone, deep plum, emerald green, warm cognac, and watch how your face lights up with absolutely nothing competing against it. 5. The lip color that is working against you. This one is specific and I need you to really hear it. You have a lip color. You have probably had it for years. It is your signature. You reach for it without even thinking. And I am here to gently but honestly tell you, it may be the one thing that is quietly draining the light from your entire face. Here is why. As we age, our skin tone shifts. The undertones change. The depth changes. And the deep brown liner with the nude frost that looked absolutely amazing on you at 35 can make you look washed out, harsh, or flat at 55. Not because you got less beautiful, but because your beauty evolved and your makeup did not follow it. The fix: just try something new one time. Walk into a beauty counter or a drugstore and pick up a shade you would never normally choose. A soft berry. A warm rose. A rich brick with warm undertones that complement deep brown skin beautifully. Try it on. Look in the mirror with fresh eyes. You might be genuinely shocked at how alive your face looks. The right lip color does not make you look like you are trying too hard. It makes you look like you arrived. If you are learning something new today, go ahead and share this video with your sister, your girlfriend, your cousin. She needs to hear this too. 6. The handbag that has been through too much with you. Now I believe in loyalty. I believe in getting your money's worth. I believe that a good bag should last. But there is a point where a bag that has been through the school pickups, the church anniversaries, the grocery runs, and the family reunion starts to tell a tired story, and that story ages you. A worn, outdated, or shapeless bag pulls down your entire look even when everything else is perfect. It is the one accessory that is in every photo, every outing, every first impression you make. And when it looks like it has given up, it whispers to the world that maybe you have too. The fix: you do not need to spend a fortune. You need to spend intentionally. One clean, structured bag in a neutral color, black, tan, deep burgundy, something that says you made a deliberate choice today. A crossbody that sits properly. A tote that holds its shape. That is it. One bag can completely refresh your look for years to come. Drop a comment right now and tell me what color bag you would choose if you were starting fresh today. I genuinely want to know. 7, and this is the one I promised you. I know you might have been expecting another fashion tip. But the truth is, everything we have talked about today, the dress, the shoes, the hair, the bag, none of it will work if your body is saying something completely different than your outfit. The way you are carrying yourself is aging you more than any of the 6 things we just talked about combined. I see it everywhere in our community. Women over 50 who have spent so many decades pouring into everyone else that they have quietly forgotten how to take up space for themselves. The shoulders that curve forward. The eyes that drift downward. The way we make ourselves smaller in photos, in conversations, at family gatherings, in boardrooms, in restaurants. And I understand it. Life has a way of doing that to us. But sis, you have earned every single inch of the room you are standing in. The women who look absolutely magnetic over 50 are not always the ones with the most expensive clothes or the most flawless skin. They are the ones who walk in like they belong there, because they have made the private decision that they do. The fix: starting today, every single time you walk through a doorway, any doorway, pause for one breath. Roll your shoulders back. Lift your chin. Then walk through like the woman you have spent 50+ years becoming. Do that consistently for 1 week. And watch how the world responds to you differently. More importantly, watch how you respond to yourself differently. In summary. So there they are. 7 things that may be quietly screaming, old lady, and 7 things you can begin changing right now, today, without spending a fortune or overhauling your entire life. Here is what I want you to do. Pick just one thing from this list, just one, and commit to changing it this week. Not all 7. Just one. Small steps taken with intention are what real transformation is made of. Then come down to the comments and tell me which one you are starting with. I read every single comment, and I want to cheer you on personally. And if this video spoke to your heart today, please subscribe to Timeless Melanin Lifestyle if you have not already. We are building a community of Black women over 50 who refuse to fade into the background. Women who are stepping fully into their most radiant, most confident, most unapologetic season of life. You are not invisible. You are golden. And it is time the world sees exactly that. I will see you in the next one.